Simply click on Chord Candy and begin generating chords. So the cool thing about this tool is that it doesn't give you the answer right away. Like, it really helps you with your musical process, and you'll see what I mean. So for today, I'm looking for a very specific piece, but I'm kind of stuck. So for instruments, I need piano. For my keys, okay, I think E minor actually works. And I'm looking for something ethereal and also spooky. Today I'm working with 100 BPM. And here you can select the number of generations. I usually just go with one because I often get what I need. And here we go. So as you can see, it's not it's not gonna create the sound for you, but rather it actually helps you with the structure of your piece. Why do I really like this tool? It's because, well, honestly, I'm a little bit stuck. It's just really nice for like inspiration, and it kind of motivates me and puts me in the right mindset for composing. So let's see what the AI came up with. Chord progressions. It gave me a verse, hook, and break. I really like the suggestions a lot because it really helps me kind of understand what I'm looking for more. Okay, notes of each chord. So here the AI provides the notes as well for those who don't really know what B7 is or any of these. Potential rhythm patterns, play each lasting 4 beats, sustained ethereal atmosphere, play each chord as half notes. Okay. Let's take a listen to what I came up with. So, what do you guys think? Does this piece sound like the beginning of a composition that evokes a sense of mystery, introspection, and a touch of unease? Really glad that you guys had a chance to listen to this interesting piece. I have to finish it now. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial, and happy composing!